All right, we're going to multiply two rational expressions, right? Two big fractions. And remember that when you multiply, it's going to be the top times the top over the bottom times the bottom. So first thing I want to do is I want to rewrite this, and I'm going to put it all together as one fraction. X plus 7 times y to the 5th over y times 5x plus 35. Okay, now you can reduce anything in the numerator with the same thing in the denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break each part of this down so we can see exactly what cancels out. All right, so x plus 7, this part is already simplified. You can't take anything out of there. I'm just going to call it x plus 7. Now this part, y to the 5th, I'm actually going to write it out. I'm going to write it out as 5y's. Y times y times y times y times y. Okay, so I wrote my 5y's. And then in the denominator, I have a y here. And then this part, I can actually factor out a 5. Okay, 5 goes into both of these terms. So when I do that, I will be left with x plus 7. Okay, and if you want to check that, you can distribute that back out to find you get what you started with. Okay, now I have everything broken down. Anything in the numerator that's the same as something in the denominator will simplify and reduce. So first thing I notice is x plus 7 and x plus 7. All right, anything over itself turns into 1, so these really just turn into 1s. And then there's one more thing that cancels out. This y will cancel any one of the y's in the top. Doesn't matter which one. I'll use that one. Okay, and these also turn into a 1. All right, let's put it back together and see what I'm left with. Now in the numerator, I have 1 times 1 times 4y's. And I'm going to put those back together and call it y to the 4th. And then in the denominator, all I have left is the 5. So there it is. There's your answer. Y to the 4th over 5.